POV, you completely missed the fact that the Eyedropper tool can also create variables. Welcome to Figma Bites, the video series that aims to teach you to speed up your Figma workflow. In the last video, you learned that the Eyedropper tool can sample variables when you hold down Shift. Selecting this star, we can see that it has a fill on it. That fill is currently set to a hex value. What if we want to turn this color into a variable so that we can reuse it easily? Before learning about this new technique, you would open the Variables dialog and create it there. Or maybe you'd click the Apply Styles and Variables button in the upper right corner of the Fill section of the Design panel. Try this instead. Press the shortcut I to activate the Eyedropper tool. Mouse over the star and you'll see a tip below the value. If you hold down Shift Command and click the star, a new popover will appear. This popover should look familiar if you've ever created variables from the Fill section. You can choose a collection for the variable, set a name for it, and adjust the hex value if need be. Click the Create Variable button and voila, a new variable for you to use. That's how you create variables using the Eyedropper tool. I hope this Figma Bite helps you create color collections quickly. Thanks for watching.